can't miss this. Just for the foot. I got water going down my back. Now see, that's what you call wading in the water. Come on now, stand up. You hurt your hand, huh? Be careful. Wading in that water. Now you see where he's having to walk? So that tells you how high this water is. And God, I know this property. I'm walking on the path. You see where he has to walk? He's walking on the wall by James Simmons School. Alright, that's enough of that. I go back inside now. Whew. It's been real. Oh damn. Got under water done rooted up all sorts of stuff. Listen, I ain't sleep all night and I couldn't stay in no longer. You gotta come out and exhaust yourself at least one time. Plus I gotta put the garbage can back. I don't know whose tire tracks those were. What happens when you don't get no rest and you can't sleep. Alright, I'm done. That's fascinating, yo. Why didn't they just finish